Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and I am thankful today for cabbage plants that have dwarfed anything else in my grow room. I am so ecstatic about this. I mean, just in a week's time, they have just boomed again. These stalks are like as thick as tree trunks about. And I'm gonna be doing a little bit of a revamping here because I have to get them out of where they're at and into something different so that other plants can actually get some sunshine or some light from the grow lights. That's what I'm thankful for today. And I just wanted to give you a few pictures of these cabbages and maybe give you a little tutorial on what I do here. First of all, I'm going to, well, let me turn the camera around and I'll show you. First of all, I'm gonna drill a hole in this bucket here, this black or this yellow bucket with the black lid, and then I'm gonna fill it up with water and some of this Dynagrow that I got sitting over here. I don't know if you can see that. It's right there behind the spray bottle. And then we're gonna take the pots, or one of the pots, out of here. Can you see that? That is just so awesome. We're going to take one of those pots out of there and put it in the bucket that I just showed you. Look at that huge tree trunk, man. And those awesomely big leaves. I can't believe how much this has grown. Okay, I got 4 gallons in here. I am going to pour some of this in there. About one of these for 4 gallons. I'm going to get my handy dandy stirrer upper. We will close this lid. Look at this, guys. Look at this. These have really taken off. The roots are so thick I'm root bound. This thing is gonna love this place though. You watch and see. That is one humongous cabbage. Don't you guys agree? Wow. That's even bigger when you show it like that.